Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Zaid Chemistry. I am Sheikh Fazul Islam, teacher of high school channel. Today we are going to discuss about the next chapter, that is electric generator. Let's start with our topic. Electric generator is basically a device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. A device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy is called as the electrical generator. And this device is basically, it depends upon the principle of electromagnetic induction, in which electromagnetic induction is basically a principle. It was given by Fleming. According to this electromagnetic induction, when a conductor is moved in a magnetic field, current is induced in it, or current gets induced in that particular conductor. The process is known as electromagnetic induction. And this electric generator is it is of two types. One is an AC generator and another is a DC generator. We can state one works on the alternating current and another works on the direct current. An electric generator, it consists of a rectangular coil, or we can state as the construction of the electric generator goes as, it consists of a rectangular coil ABCD, which is placed between the two poles of a magnet. ABCD is a coil, a rectangular coil which is placed between two poles of a permanent magnet. Besides this particular coil, it is connected to two rings R1 and R2. And these rings are basically, they are separated from each other, or they are separated from each other by an insulating brushes, or by two brushes, B1 and B2. The two rings R1 and R2 are internally attached to an axle. They are attached to an axle. This is one ring, this is another ring. They are basically separated from each other. They are insulated from each other. And these two are connected by an axle. It is a type of rod, so that these must be connected, and also there must not be any sort of short circuit between the two rings. When the axle attached with the two rings, it rotates. Then arm AB of the rectangle, it moves up, and arm CD goes downwards. Or we can say that the ABCD coil, it rotates clockwise. Due to this, induced current are set up in the arms. After half a rotation, arm CD moves up and AB moves down. It goes just like that. When this axle moves, this goes up, this goes down. Due to this current gets induced in it. Or we can state that this ABCD, it goes clockwise. When axle moves again, this CD goes up, AB goes downwards. In this way, it rotates. Thus, after every half rotation, the polarity of the current in these arms changes. Or we can state that current, it changes its direction. It changes its direction after equal interval of time, and it is called as alternating current. And such generators are called as AC generators. To get a direct current, a split ring type commutator is used there. Due to this, one brush is at all times in contact with the arm moving up in the field, while the other is in contact with the arm moving downwards. The working of split ring commutator in this way allows a unidirectional current to flow through the generator. Such generators are called as DC generators. The difference between these two generators is that direct current flows in one direction, while as alternating current it reverses its direction. And both these generators, they usually convert this mechanical energy into electrical energy. What we see here, in alternating current, when this axle moves, AB goes up, this DC goes down, this is CD goes down. When this again goes rotated, this goes up and this goes down. In this way, this after every time this rotation, it gets changed. While as in case of DC generator, we use a split ring type commutator, so that every brush is connected, that remains connected with the ring all the times, and that allows the unidirectional movement of the current. That was all about electric generator. And in this particular case, the question can be asked as what happens in case of AC generator and what happens in case of DC generator. I hope you must get all these pointers. That was all about today's topic. Have a nice day.